This is the part 2 for ListBox. So we're creating this one, adding names and put them in the from using ListBox or list to the ListBox. Now here we're gonna try to add some feature like sorting these names. Okay. Let us creating another bottom. For example, I need, for example, a bottom called add 5. I want to add 5 students or 5 names at the same time. Okay. So this will be I call add 5. Add 5. All right, so double click in this one. So I'm gonna do just list box one, or actually, we agree we will not add for the list box immediately. We need to add to the names on the list of the names. We create a list just to refresh your mind. Can take this out. List this one. So I have a list of names here. Okay, we need to add to list of names whatever we have. So list of names dot add. Just for example, Steve. Okay, then we have another one dot add, for example, Vicky. Okay, and another one, for example, we need a 5. Yeah, I see 5. So I have a add Mana, and another one add for example, Hannah. Okay, so I have this ones. Now if I run the code, here, I can, for example, Smith add 5. I have, still doesn't work, so we need binding this one list. Okay, but again, if I have a mic, so I have a 10 here because I have a 2 5. So see, there. So I need to bind this 2 as well. Okay, do this very quick. Same things here. I'm gonna do ps dot what? Yeah, correct. Reset bindings and false because we don't change the data type, the data that go to the list box. And I need to go to the label one dot text will be, I'm gonna have the same this one. Okay, I have the same this one. I'm gonna update this one as well. Okay, so let me run the code one more time. So I have a Smith here, I have a name, I have a, there's one, I have this one's now I have a 5 plus 1 would be 6, should be 5 plus 1 will be 6. Why doesn't go 6 here? Why doesn't show? List of name count, list of names count here. Is everything good? One more time, please. Let me do, for example, Smith. Add name, have a 1, then add 5. I have a 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me add, for example, James. 6. Then I have another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think I add 4 here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I had a 4 here. I'm missing another name. Let me do another name. So because I say I had 5, should be 6 over there. Like another name, like example. Let me do. Okay, now let me try one more time. Yeah, so I have a Smith here. And the name, then I have a 5, I have a 6 here. So we have a short 6. We are good, okay? Let me do some space here and some space here, okay? So let us add the sorting. So for sorting, I go to the buttons. 1, 2. I have 2 buttons here. I'm gonna do this one here. So I'm gonna make it this way and go this way too. But them each other. Now in this one, I'm gonna do A to Z sending order, and this one from Z to A, descending order. Okay. Also, because I don't want to make, we need to name it. Where's the name? So I can do btn to not avoid confusing btm sort underscore ascending. Okay, and the same things here. I'm gonna do btn underscore sort underscore descending. Okay, so I double click here. I'm gonna do my names, list of names here, list of names. I'm gonna call the list again, list of names dot sort. Then again, then I'm gonna do ps. Whenever I do ps, I have already set bindings and the false. So to update that data. So let's go this one and let me go click here. So I put Smith and name, then 5. Then let me sort them. Oh, here we go. It's sorting. Okay. Now we need to do the same code or different code actually here. Okay. So now the data is sorting. Okay. If I do, for example, uh, B, for example, B sorting again. So A, B on top. Okay. Perfect. So I'm gonna copy this one, just copy this code, then I go to the other descending order. So someone gonna ask me how sorting ascending and descending same. No, not same. So I'm gonna do the list of names that reverse. Then after you sort them, reverse. Okay. Here we showing you the all operations that come with the list, nothing with the list box. So all things we do in the list, then we reverse this one. Let us run this code and see what happened. Okay. So I have Smith, add names and add 5. Then ascending, repeat this one, descending, this Vicky, and the descending and descending. Okay. So both of them work fine. If I do, for example, ABD, add name, then ascending will be A on top, descending will be down. It's work fine. So it worked fine. It worked fine. Okay. So let me stop the code. And next, maybe we need to clear the list. Okay. Maybe also I forgot to do list box here. PS it's already been like binding here, but our list box worked fine. But here we have this one here. It will be also good idea, but still we can. So Smith, add name, add 5, etc. Okay, so it's good. All right. So next we need a clear meaning I need the empty, clear the things. Okay, so nothing here. Buttons, I'm gonna click here. Maybe I'm gonna do maybe here. So this would be clear button. Okay, click here. I call it clear, and mean the names. We're gonna go to the name, go btn clear. Okay, so double click here. So I'm gonna do list box 1 dot items dot clear. Okay, so clear the list box items. Also my list of names here. I'm gonna copy this one for easy for myself. Dot clear. Okay, so dot clear, and then label 1 dot text will dot clear actually also and actually dot clear immediately like this. Clear. Oops. Label 1 dot text will be nothing here. Okay, and text box name dot clear. That's one has a clear. Has a clear function. So now let me run this one, and I have a Smith. Okay, at 5, sending, descending, clear. Oops, I have error. What list box items have error? So what the problem? Let me see the list. Let's read this one. So this is the problem here. You read this error. You cannot modify when data source property is set. So Why? Because it is read only. Or I think, oops, sorry. We go down, we see, oops, again. Um, form clear points, system event, informs external. The exceptions was throughout the external code, data source property. So, so the data here is told the only read only. We cannot modify because it's read only. Solution for this error, I can solve it, don't worry. So I'm gonna take out, comment out. So I'm gonna do the same things here, which is will be reverse, not reverse, reset, So I'm gonna create, um, after I clear this one, I'm gonna go with creating this reset binding. Okay, clear this one, click this one. So again, SS, or whatever name, then add 5, then clear. Now, how clear it? Because I cleared the list doesn't have item, then I binding this list with my list box, and which is gonna put the empty list, nothing, okay? Thank you so much. See you next video. Thank you.